Now we will go into trading bot section and I will show you how to use TradingView script. So first thing we need to do is go to TradingView.com. TradingView is a very useful website and it has many scripts that we can use. So as an example, we will select one of the scripts. Click Scripts, Volume, locate Money Flow Index script, and click on that. Once you're in there, you can see that there are a lot of different scripts available. So let's select one of them, this one. It looks good, it's got a lot of likes and it's got good reputation. Once you click it, you can see that there is the comments about the script and there's also a description of what the script does and the actual script code. So what we can do is actually click Add to Favorites. Next, we will go to Bitcoin USD chart, open it, and open full featured charts. Wait for the chart to load. Once the chart is loaded, you can click on Pine Editor, and through there you can add your own script. However, for the purpose of this video, we will use already built-in script, which we added to favorites earlier. Now go to the top and click Indicators, then go to Favorites, and in the Favorites, that's where your script should be located. Click on it and you can see it appear on your chart. In fact, you can add other scripts as well. As an example, we will add this one too. So let's try to add in a webhook. So first of all, we need to add an alert. So click here, add an alert, alarm button on the right, and then clicking on the settings on the alert that you've just set. Tick webhook URL, and then you can find the URL inside the PegNet dashboard. From here, copy it and then paste it into the TradingView alert. Delete message, and now we need to add our own similar to the examples on the ptrader.co. So these are various examples of the code, and the first one is convert 500 PEG to PBTC when BTC price is 11,000. Then you got the actual code, and then below you got other examples. So let's copy paste the first one into the TradingView. Take note of the price. This is my unique ID. I got 500 and put the new price in. And then what I want to do is actually peg to PUSD because I already have the peg in my wallet. As you can see, there is 300 there. So I will change 500 to 200. And it's pegged to USD, and then I tick send email and save. So we can do another example. Let's put another alert in. It will appear on the top of the previous one. Click on the settings. You can see the webhook URL is already in there. So we copy the price, and now we go back to ptrader and select one of the scripts. So select any one of them that you want to use as your strategy. So let's get this one, copy it. So we'll paste it back into the TradingView, but we want to change it because we have the peg. We want to change peg to PUSD and put in the new price, and then amount 50. Convert. Send email, still clicked. Then we want to make sure it's crossing, and crossing every time. Save it, and there you have it. So now every time the price crosses those two alerts levels, then the TradingView will send an email to ptrader.co website, and the website will automatically execute those scripts, convert between different PegNet assets. And that is how you set it up. So this is very useful for traders who are using TradingView and want to set up an automatic portfolio strategy that executes automatically as the price moves and as the alerts go off.